When you think of Japan, isn't ramen the first dish that comes to mind? Most of the time, I love exploring recipes I've never tried.
Many of my friends abroad asked me about ramen. So in the last video, I started with Chashu. This time, I'm using the Chashu to make a rich bowl of ramen.
Shoyu ramen is one of the oldest styles, first popular in Tokyo. Made with Chashu braising liquid, the broth turns rich and deeply savory. Let's get started. Heat the chicken stock in a pot. Add the soy sauce, mirin, and braising liquid. Taste and adjust with water if needed. Season a little stronger, since noodles will mellow the flavor. Keep the soup warm. Boil the noodles separately. Then drain well. Prepare the chashu, the egg, green onions, and memma. Pour the hot soup into bowls. Add the noodles and top with chashu, egg, green onions, and memma. The noodles soak up the broth and have a perfect texture. You can make it at home, and you should try it in Japan too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.